Okay, what can you conclude from the information in the diagram? Well, number one says LM is congruent to NM. Well, that's certainly true because of this mark. Okay, so that's true. LM is congruent to NM. I'm just going to check it off every time we see it. Okay, that's that. They also, let's just going down for A, A says angle NQP is a right angle. NQP sure is a right angle. NQP is a right angle. I'm going to check that off every time I see it. Okay, what else does it say? It says angle NPQ, NPQ, this angle right here, and angle OPQ, right there, are vertical angles. Not true, they're not vertical. Vertical angles are formed by two rays like that, or two lines crossing like that. So, can't be that one. And in fact, if we see that anywhere else, NPQ and OPQ are vertical angles. No, I don't see that anywhere else. Now, let's keep moving down the list. LM, ray LM, is congruent to ray LN, this right here. Well, it doesn't have a mark, so there's no reason for us to think that. There's no reason why we would think that that's true. We don't know what LN measures, and we don't have anything to indicate what it is, so we can't make that statement. So I'm going to now look at these answers, and I'm seeing that A has an X'd out can't be true answer, B has an X'd out can't be true answer, and so does D. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to just go through C and verify that any of the, all of the answers for C are true. Okay, so number 2 in C says PN is congruent to PO. PN here is congruent to PO. Yeah, they have the double angle marks right there. Okay, so that's true. And then angle, let's see if I can change the color here. Just get yellow. Angle NPQ, NPQ, this angle right here. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm reading the wrong one. Number 3, angle PNO, PNO, this angle right here, and angle LNM, this angle right here, are vertical angles. Right here, this what this says. And yeah, look, they are vertical angles because these two yellow lines are what form them. And so therefore, this is a vertical angle with this. And so that one checks out as well. And because all three of them check out, we're going to say then the answer must be C. Okay? So for a problem like this, I would suggest if you're given a multiple choice, then run through each of the options. And every time you see it, like you notice that, just running back through to show this, you notice that A started with LM is congruent to NM. We knew that that was true. And that same statement also appeared in C. So find it everywhere you can and check it off as true if it is true. So then you can find the ones that either are all having checks or ones that have X's on it. You can say, okay, well, I'm going to see if I can find a set of statements that are all true by first checking ones that don't have any X's on them. So hopefully that makes